millions of tons of drifting rock, stars scattered light years away, a darkness that feels endless. But what if, hidden between all of this, there is something else, unseen yet undeniably felt? For decades, astronauts have hinted at it. Some struggle to describe it. Some simply say, there's something out there. Today, by following the quiet, instinctive feeling Sunita Williams experienced in orbit, we open the door to that question. I'm inviting you into a story that touches the quiet light tucked inside the darkness of space, and maybe even the light that's been resting inside you. Before we begin this journey, a small request. If even a single idea, moment, or feeling in this video resonates with you, you can like it now. It truly supports the channel and helps us keep creating content like this. And whatever thought, question, disagreement, or curiosity shows up for you, share it in the comments. Your presence is what keeps this space alive. The darkness of space isn't empty, not in the way we imagine. Sometimes when a person stares into that darkness, it feels like staring into themselves. There's an undeniable resemblance between the silence within us and the silence out there. Both deep, both boundless, both mirrors that stretch us wider than we expected. This story draws from the experiences of Sunita Williams, a woman who has flown to space twice, spent more than 322 days off the Earth, and watched our planet with her own eyes during 7 spacewalks. As one of the most respected figures in the global space community, her experiences sit at the heart of the door we're opening today. In this video, through Sunita's moments in orbit, we explore the profound connection between the human mind and the vastness of the universe, how the silence of space can reflect the quiet voice inside us. Because sometimes a single moment in orbit, a single feeling an astronaut can't shake, is powerful enough to shift the way a person understands the universe, and maybe even reveal the universe they've been carrying within themselves. Sunita has journeyed to space twice. She has spent more than 322 days away from Earth. She has completed 7 spacewalks. But when they asked her, "What did you feel in space?" she didn't begin with scientific language. She answered with something unexpectedly human. Space isn't empty. It wasn't a statement about physics. It was the description of a presence. As if a consciousness were drifting through the dark, a silent, dense field of awareness. Many astronauts have tried to describe the same sensation. Some called it a feeling of disconnection, others a sense of merging with everything, and some said it felt as if space itself were watching them with an invisible, wordless mind. Maybe that's why people realize in space that loneliness is nothing like what they thought, and that its texture is completely different from anything on Earth. What Sunita described goes far beyond anything the eyes can see. It's an experience the intuition detects first, so vivid it feels more real than any image. And this matters. There are moments when a person senses the unseen more clearly than the visible. Could this be a quiet form of communication from the universe? Maybe consciousness exists in ways that stretch far beyond the limits we understand. Maybe the void is simply an awareness waiting for us to notice it. One of the most striking things Sunita shared is this. When she looked down through the window of the space station, the Earth didn't look like a map. No countries, no borders, no us and them, just a blue sphere, wrapped in a thin, fragile layer of atmosphere. so delicate that it looks like it would tear with the slightest touch. Sunita describes it as the most delicate thing I've ever seen. We think the Earth is enormous because we live inside it, but from above, it becomes a tiny glass dome floating in the middle of the universe. And in that moment, a person realizes we are far too small to fight in this home, yet big enough to learn how to live together. Maybe the greatest truth the universe shows us is not separation, but the undeniable need for unity. Sunita's story brings us back to a familiar question. Why does a human being step beyond their own boundaries? Is it for adventure, for knowledge, for power? All of those answers meet in the same place. Human nature is to expand. Sometimes that expansion comes through science, sometimes through art, sometimes through inner awakening, and sometimes by stepping outside our home and looking up at the stars. Astronauts repeat the same thing again and again. Yes, I grew when I left the Earth. But when I returned, I realized the real growth had happened within me. This is the most extraordinary connection between a person's inner universe and the one outside. As we explore the cosmos, we are really exploring the depth within ourselves. Looking at the stars is another way of illuminating the shadows inside us. The more we open to the world beyond, the more we expand inward. And there's a powerful truth we learn from Sunita's experiences. Space is full of risks, but the greatest danger isn't space itself. It's the human mind. In zero gravity, time feels different. Silence becomes thicker. When an emotion rises, there is nowhere to run. It surrounds you completely. Sunita puts it simply. If you can't guide your mind, space becomes darker than it really is. Isn't that true on Earth as well? When a feeling intensifies, when fear gets triggered, when uncertainty knocks on the door, we often find ourselves battling the darkness inside our own thoughts. What happens in space is really just a magnified version of what we live here. Astronauts share small but telling examples. Sometimes a faint click inside the station sends the mind into a storm of possibilities. Yet most of the time, it's only metal expanding or cooling. But the mind, desperate to fill the unknown, creates entire scenarios in just seconds. And what we learned from Sunita is this. The mind can keep you alive, or it can quietly undo you. In the darkness of space, an astronaut might see a drifting shadow and interpret it as danger, when it's nothing more than the reflection of their own equipment. The mind instantly builds stories. Is something happening? Is there a problem? What if I can't get out of this? But the truth is often something entirely different. Just like in life, a person feels the fear of abandonment as if it's already happening, experiences failure before anything has failed, imagines a disaster long before it ever occurs. Space exposes this dynamic in its rawest form. There are real dangers, of course, but the human mind is powerful enough to take a small possibility and turn it into a shadow that feels far more frightening than reality. One of the questions Sunita hears the most is there life in space? And her answer is fascinating. She says she couldn't see anything with her eyes, no clear shape, no direct sign. Yet she felt a presence that's hard to explain, even though nothing physical confirmed it. This isn't a confession, it's an experience. She says she didn't feel alone in the darkness of space, but not in the sense of aliens. Something much more subtle, much more profound. It's as if the universe isn't empty at all. as if some kind of awareness, a quiet intelligence, is watching everything in silence. And that brings us to a different question. Not, is there life out there? But how do we define life? Maybe what we call life is only one shape the universe takes. Maybe aliveness isn't strictly biological. Maybe consciousness exists like a field, spread across the cosmos. And maybe the silence of the universe is simply its language. We assume it's not speaking, only because we can't hear it. One of Sunita's most striking thoughts is this: you never go to space alone. This isn't just about teamwork, it's about consciousness. Because if humanity ever leaves Earth for other worlds, it has to go as one. If not, we would carry our divisions across the stars. And bringing conflict to the doorstep of the universe would be the most dangerous thing we could do. But if we go together, a new kind of consciousness begins. Not one planet, but one humanity. Sunita's story reveals something important. Exploring the universe begins with exploring yourself. The stars you see in space mirror the points of awareness inside you. Expansion doesn't happen outside, it happens within. And what an astronaut truly finds out there is this: when a person understands how small they really are, that is the moment they become truly vast. Maybe the universe has been trying to say this from the beginning. We are not alone, because we are too deeply connected to ever truly be alone. Thank you so much for watching. If this journey stirred something in you, remember to like the video and subscribe. Every thought you share in the comments helps this space grow and carries the story we're building together into something even more meaningful. And always remember, the place you occupy in the universe carries far more value and purpose than you think.